Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we're looking at the AMLIFE Face Mask that we bought on Amazon. Let's get it in the clamper and see what happens. Oh, too soon. Too soon. Being too soon is just as bad as being too late. Remember that. Not just testing masks here, got life lessons and everything. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more what this machine is doing, check out that link. We're doing the American surgical mask test here, which means that this needs to pass at 95%. Now, I've actually never heard of AMLIFE before. However, I just noticed, I didn't even know. Yeah, it says, look at this. It says it's made in the USA. Wait, made in USA and imported. Pick a lane. That's weird. I like the zipper pack. That's cool. Let's look at the packaging here. AMLIFE face mask, made in the USA of imported fabric. That's what they meant. That is very weird. Proudly manufactured in California. Okay, distributed by AMLIFE. It doesn't say manufactured by AMLIFE. Very confusing. I haven't heard of this manufacturer. Have you heard of them? So they have a bunch of different colors, which is pretty cool, but this is very weird. The packages are all different. What? So there's this style and then this other sealed one. This is super weird. And the materials are all different. Like the ear loops are different. Well, what the hell? We've got 4 different types of ear loops here. Okay. This is interesting. Very interesting. I have not seen anything like this before. I mean, you know, believe it or not, but as a manufacturer, you kind of want to standardize things. So having like 4 different types of ear loops is very, very weird. Not to mention, like, from a compliance standpoint, it makes it very difficult to track all of that stuff. This ear loop is, that's pretty good actually. See, it's gonna break, but you know, this is an adventure. Let's put this on. This is huge. The ear loops are a little big for my face personally. Okay, this smells like an RC helicopter's engine when it's been burned out. Not horrible, but less than ideal for sure. Ear loop nose wire is very, very thin, and like you can just tell by the way that they're constructing things with the way that they're folding over the melt blown that it's just not a very consistent product. See, look at how the fold is different from mask to mask. Oh, look at this. This is made on a completely separate machine. So you can tell by the pattern. This is very weird. See, like, okay, it's probably things only I would notice, but see how this one has a dot in there? That's part of the anvil or the roller that's making the mask, and this one doesn't have it. And in fact, it looks like the nose wire is better in that mask. This is freaking weird, man. I've never seen this before, where like they are just, and look, the ear loop is totally different. Oh, it looks like they missed the melt blown there. So this is like a completely different mask, and judging by the weird packaging stuff, I'm wondering if they're actually made in different factories. All right, so what do we talk about here? When things are consistent, when things make sense, when the packaging is good, that typically adds up to a really good product, right? Not always, but typically. You don't have a $250,000 lab where you can test stuff, so this is just like a sort of a guideline for you. Now, I haven't looked yet at the score, so I'm not sure. This one mask, though I really, if I was doing my diligence, should test every single one because they're clearly made on different machines, if not different factories. I'm just going to test one, though, because only so much time of the day. So I haven't looked at it. But remember, the minimum standards in the United States are 95%. We bought these on Amazon, and they claim to be made in the U.S. What does the PFE machine say? Oh, 58.4? 58.4. That is one of the worst surgical masks that we've tested.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Definitely the worst made in the USA. If I go USA, if I go surgical, and I search by PFE, Well, that's how fast our system updates. Jeez, that's really fast. That's pretty cool. This is the worst made in the USA surgical mask that we have. If I look at all of them, it's in the top 10% of the worst surgical masks that we have ever tested. I'd buy a different mask. That's me personally. Not really sure if these guys are legit or not, but I can tell you that their fabric is not super legit. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this adventure of dissecting masks as much as I have. We are running a little competition here. The quick version is leave a comment. You could get something. There are details, and I will catch you on the next test.